Yes, they are here, waiting for FedEx. Wow, here they are. Yes. My new moto bags. It feels like Christmas. Auto wrapping. There we go. Brackets. Nice. Nice packing. .38-liter bag. Here we are. We're going to unpack the bag. Do not throw this part away. This will go inside your bag. This is the inner bag, 31 liter. For the right side of the bike, the exhaust side. The other bag I have is the 38 liter. It's got handles. You can close it. You can carry it with you without having to take both bags out. That's a nice strap. A bag filled with goodies. All right, what's inside? We have, this one is marked extra screws, padlock, it just came out with instructions to reset your code. A tool. Brackets to mount the bag, and another bag that has a bandana, stickers, nice keychain. You actually get a set like this for each side, so you get 2 keychains, 2 locks, assortment of stickers, 2 bandanas, and this is the famous outer bag. So this one is waterproof, made of Hypalon. All the extremities are protected, and the other side has a metal backing which feels very strong, and with all the hose attachments for the brackets to connect the bike to the bike rack. And this should work with most brands of racks. We'll grab a bag of tools. Or brackets. And they look very easy to mount. They go like this, and then they will slide. It's black over black, so I know it's a little hard to see, but I hope you can see it. Next step, we're going to the bike to take measurements. And now with a mark, I'm going to mark a spot. I'm just using a Sharpie highlighter. All right, let's go back inside. Okay, so a side note, you might probably see that I scratched it here. So to avoid that, make sure that these screws here are very loose, and then you place it in, and to tighten you need to pull the bracket toward you, up, and then you can tighten them. If you don't, the screws will just spin loose and you will get aggravated. Now see, now they're nice and tight. There we go. This is a really nice key. Same for this side. Make sure they're loose. When they're loose, they go in very easily. Before you start this operation, make sure your exhaust is completely cold. I guarantee you, you will touch it a few times. I put my top box right under here. It's a nice support. I can use it to place tools and other stuff. It's a little tricky since the space is very limited. There we go, we got one. Only need the upper bolt on this side. There we go. Alright, the right side is done. Now we move on to the left side. Before we do that, I want to show you how slim they are when they are in the tucked in position. Look at that. That is really cool, such a low profile. Now I'm going to mount the left side bag. You might have noticed a little bit of difference in light. That's because yesterday it started raining and it didn't stop until the end of the evening. So I didn't really finish the video, and I finished it today, so I apologize about that. And one more thing, the tool that comes with the bags, I love it. This is a really cool tool. I'll keep it for other stuff. It's actually easier using both tools that came with the bag. When you fasten these bolts, it's easier if you start from the bottom. It will help you keep the bracket in place. And we are done. This is what the bags look like when they are collapsed. As you can see, they have a very thin profile. To expand them, just have to unlock this. That's it. And now I'm going to show you the bags when they are completely expanded. Whew. I really appreciate the quality of details. The slider here, for example, that keeps the flap in place. There's also another flap right here, and that's kept in place by Velcro. And meanwhile, it started raining again. Well, looks like I'm going to test the waterproofness of these bags. Alright guys, once again, thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Final note, I did pay full price for these bags, but I do have an affiliate link right now. So if you're interested in anything from Lone Rider, I do have a link for you down in the description. Thank you so much. Take care, stay dry, and stay safe.